Today I have to deal with a pot, a burnt pot, so it was actually apples that were cooked in it, and I just forgot about the time and they badly burned. It's a very tough job to clean it. I tried all the tricks on the internet where they said just to cook a bit of water with baking powder, baking soda in it, and nothing works. Put the dishwasher soap in it and boil it again, then it would come off. As you see, nothing came off. So I have to try something different today. What I do is I take an electric drill with a plastic brush on it, and let's see if that does the job, and I can remove the apples. Doesn't look so bad, makes one of a mess, but that's why I'm on the balcony. That was my wife's best pot. Okay, maybe we can reinstate it. Okay, the plastic brush is not too aggressive. It cannot scratch the pot like previous steel brushes did. So 3 minutes later, it's really hard and stuck, this burnt apple. A lot of charcoal smoke and dust. But well, I keep on brushing, and apparently the brush is tough enough to bit by bit loosen it without scratching the pot. Okay, bit by bit everything has to come off. So another 5 minutes later, I think it's almost all of it is gone, but it's really tight. I wonder how people do that with a manual brush. I think I spent half a day on it. So did I overlook anything? Even got quite hot here. So no, I think that's it. I think I got most of it right here on the side. Bit of the sides, I think no, here's a bit. Okay, I think this is the final touches. Okay, that worked very well, but I must really say I have no clue how people do that who don't have a brush for the electric drill. Okay, job done. It can go into the dishwasher, but I have to wash my hands too. And apparently the balcony needs a brush, a broom.